Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can enable audio and video calling in your message requests on X. If you've been wanting to take your conversations beyond texts and make them more personal, this quick guide will show you exactly how to set it up. First, open the X app on your phone. This is where all the steps begin. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This will immediately take you into your inbox, where you'll see all of your conversations. Next, you'll need to find the section called Message Requests. This is where messages from people you don't follow, or who don't follow you, usually appear. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of those requests waiting for you. Now here's the key part. In the Message Requests section, look for the small settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. It usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open the messaging settings. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Enable Audio and Video Calling. By default, this feature may be turned off. To allow calls in your message requests, simply toggle this option on. Once switched, you'll instantly be ready to receive and make audio or video calls, even with people sending requests. And that's it. Just a few quick steps, and you've unlocked a new way to connect with others on X. From now on, when someone sends you a message request, you'll have the freedom to take the conversation further with either a voice call or a face-to-face video chat. This feature gives you more flexibility and control over how you communicate, whether you're discussing collaborations, connecting with new people, or having more natural conversations with those who reach out.